Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, and evening to Mr. Andi Triwinarko as the project manager and also the Batam Communication and Information Office as the product owner of this fifth semester project-based learning. The purpose of making this video is to fulfill the progress of the midterm assessment. Next. The following is a page containing some information about our material. Then, this page contains information from the project manager, Mr. Adi Triwinarko, and Kominfo as the product owner, and also a list of names of our group members. Next.
Okay, this is the project description. This project developed a password crack tool to help Kominfo Batam identify weak password and improve security by simulating password cracking techniques. The tools provide insight for strengthening password policies, enhancing the overall security of their system. Our client is Kominfo Batam, is the Batam City Communication and Information Technology Department, responsible for managing the city digital infrastructure, public communication, and information service.
Project output produce user behavior analysis, analyzing password usage pattern, identifying trend weakness and potential risk. Password strength report, generate password strength report, highlight weak ones, and provide recommendation for improvement. Technical report. The technical report summarizes the development process, challenge, and solution during the project. The next section will be explained by Dias.
During project assessment, there is a three file source code. The first one is code.py. On the left, test username as password combination or on the website or API with the aim detecting weak password and analyze server response. And the second file is option.py, is used to process command line argument with the help of the ArcParse library. Next. And the third file is request handler.py, is used to send a HTTP post request to specific URL by sending username and password combination, and the output of the source display the HTTP response, such the status code, the number of line, word, and the character in the response. Status code 302 indicate redirect, which often indicate valid credential.
Current story of project achievement. Meeting 1. We meet with the client at Technopreneur building to discuss the project phase. The meeting started with introduce, followed by a discussion of the project goals and expectation. Listen plan development. We team worked together to define the project goals and consider the ethical aspect of using current tools. We also discuss password security based practice. Phase 1, learning. Identify the tools required and understand password technique. We do research on tools like Rainbow Table and VPass. Phase 2, project preparation. We are preparing and developing password cracking tools using method like dictionary attack, brute force, and Rainbow Table. These methods are still under development. The next session will be explained by Mutia.
So these are the constraints we are facing so far. The first is time constraints. The project must be completed within a specified time frame, which may limit the scope of work and the depth of research. 2, regulatory compliance. The project must adhere to relevant laws and regulations, which may impose additional requirements or restrictions on implementation. 3, scope limitations. The project scope may be limited to specific features or functionalities due to time and budget restrictions, potentially leaving out valuable enhancements. This is our responsibilities. The first, Noval as team leader and software developer, and also Dias as software developer and tester, and Ahmad, software developer and research analyst, Hadi, software developer and research analyst, Naya, research analyst and documentation coordinator, and Mutia as me, research analyst and documentation coordinator. Next will be explained by Naya.
Thank you, Mutia. The future work of our project are, first, password policy strength assessment is for extended tool to evaluate the strength of password policies and recommend improvement for organizations. Second, user education and awareness is to focus on educating users about the importance of strong passwords and the risk of weak password. Next, please. And that is all of our midterm presentation. Thank you for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.